Hello everyone and welcome to the unboxing of my card game Animal Go Fish. Today, we're diving into a world of fun and learning with this delightful game. Animal Go Fish offers 26 cutely illustrated animals, featuring 13 domestic and 13 wild species. As an English teacher here in Japan, I'm always on the lookout for engaging ways to teach my students, and what better way than through games. Using games in the classroom not only makes learning enjoyable but also facilitates retention. With Animal Go Fish, students can easily learn the names of animals in English through various game formats. Initially, we start with the memory matching, concentration version, where they match pairs of animals. Once they're familiar with the vocabulary, we transition to playing with the classic Go Fish rules, encouraging students to ask and answer questions, thereby reinforcing their language skills. As students grow more confident in using English, we introduce the question game. Here, students formulate questions such as is it big or small? What color is it? How many legs does it have? Etc. to guess the animal, fostering both communication and critical thinking. But the versatility of Animal Go Fish doesn't stop there. It's not just limited to playing with Go Fish rules, it can be adapted to suit various age groups and language proficiency levels. From preschoolers as young as 4 to adults, everyone can join in on the fun and learning. By the way, it can also be used to play any other regular 52 card game. This game can be purchased online on my website www.boogieEnglishClass.com. You can find the link in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more educational content and updates on new games and activities. Instructional videos on how to play concentration, Go Fish, and the question game coming soon on my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Happy learning!